Welcome back. And now a look at the other happenings in the state.
59 Cooperative Week of MAPSA Consumer Cooperative Society was celebrated recently. Deputy CM and MLA of MAPSA Francis D'Souza said common marketers should not encourage monopoly business.
हे monopoly business आपाक दिवपा जायना कित्याक आयज हे मार्केटान हजारांनी लोक जोडटा तो एक संस्था जोडटली.
Advocate Ramakant Khalap, chairman of Goa Cooperative Bank Ramchandra Mule and others were present for the celebration. Foundation stone was laid for the construction of Dr. Ambedkar High Secondary School in Kolwade. Nathpai Memorial Education Society held the function on Friday in the presence of Deputy CM Francis D'Souza, TV MLA Kiran Kanolkar, former Union Law Minister Ramakant Khalap and others. Speaker of Goa Assembly Rajendra Arlekar was also present for the function. He reiterated the need of excellence from students passing out from the institution.
आमच्या शिक्षणाचो केंद्रबिंदू जो आसा तो ह्या स्कुलांतलो जो भुरगो आसा जे भुरगे आसा तो आसा. ताज्या खातीर हे शिक्षण आसा. हे इमारती खातीर शिक्षण न्ही.
Keri Terekol Area Development and Welfare Foundation inaugurated 3 ambulances and a tractor for the people in Terekol. These ambulances and the tractor services have been donated by the Kerkar family. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that individuals should voluntarily endeavour with the government to make Goa a distinguished state.
ह्यो सगळ्यो जबाबदारी शासनाच्योच न्हय, आमची तितलीच जबाबदारी आसा. आणि म्हणून शासनाच्या खांद्याक खांदो लावून उबे रावणारी मंडळी जेव्हा केरियन दिसता.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And now news from sports. Saturday proved a forgettable day for Goan I-League clubs. Churchill Brothers and Salgaonkar Football Club lost their I-League matches to Kolkata clubs East Bengal and Mohun Bagan respectively. Churchill's loss was more hurting because a victory here would have taken the Varka-based club to the top of the table. Instead, it is now East Bengal who are perched at the I-League summit.
Churchill starting very deep and not really retaining much possession in midfield. And Kingfisher East Bengal able to pass the ball around at their leisure as things stand. They're the better team in these opening exchanges as they power forwards from midfield, and here's a chance! And Chidi scores! Mariano Dias seems to be running out of ideas. There's an injury here, so the ball will be kicked out of play. This would be a big win, make no mistake, for Kingfisher East Bengal. It would set them apart from their contenders, at least by a point. It would send them top of the table. And it's 3 points away from home against a fellow title challenger. Singh to Orji. Singh from long range. Oh, what a goal that is! Stunning stuff by Manandeep Singh, the 20-year-old with 2 caps for India, showing why he can be a regular international striker one day for his country. It's an absolute perler, and it's going to send the visitors top of the I-League. Kingfisher East Bengal double their lead. Slight heart-in-the-mouth moment there for Gurpreet Sandhu. Ooh, and a heart-in-the-mouth moment here. And, well, it goes from bad to worse for Churchill Brothers.
Meanwhile, Mohun Bagan thrashed Sargaonkar Football Club by 3-0 in Kolkata. Sargaonkar's new coach, David Booth, watched his side being overrun by Odafe Okoli-led Bagan, who will have Karim Ben Sharifa as their coach from the next match. Sargaonkar's new signing, Sean Rooney, was unlucky not to score from this beautiful effort. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Rope skipping Sub-Junior National Championship kicked off at Kampal Indoor Stadium on Saturday. According to the President of Rope Skipping Federation of India, the sport of rope skipping is getting good support across the country. Goa is also showing good progress at the national level, says Harpal Singh Flora.
Boys and girls team from 16 states are taking part in the 3-day championship. The event will conclude on Monday. Rope Skipping Federation of India President Harpal Singh Flora believes that there will be close competition for the title.
5-6 स्टेट ऐसी हैं जो नेक टू नेक कंपटीशन रहता है. उसमें दिल्ली है, मणिपुर अच्छा है, झारखंड अच्छा है, एपी नो डाउट बहुत अच्छा है, काफ़ी बार नेशनल लिया उन्होंने, और आपका एमपी हो गया। दीज आर दी मेन। गोवा इज़ ग्रोइंग। अभी मेरे को पता लगा कि जो अभी नेशनल हुई थी SGFI की, उसमें 7-8 मेडल अभी गोवा ने भी लिए हैं, तो दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी गुड। रोप स्किपिंग 2009 में स्कूल गेम्स में इंक्लूड हुआ था। सतपाल जी जो SGFI के प्रेसिडेंट हैं उन्होंने किया था। अभी तीसरी नेशनल स्कूल गेम्स की होने जा रही है दिल्ली में, सीनियर अंडर 19, अंडर 17 अभी भोपाल में हुई है। इसके अलावा इसी साल CBSE में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है। CBSE की नेशनल अभी जनवरी में होने जा रही है यूपी के अंदर। और नेशनल लेवल पे फेडरेशन जो है 12 नेशनल ऑलरेडी कर चुकी है, ये 13th नेशनल है। स्कूल्स में तो पॉपुलैरिटी नो डाउट है ही है रोप स्किपिंग, वैसे ही हमारे से पहले भी थी, आज भी है। अभी वो थोड़ा टेक्निकल हो गई है, इवेंट्स और बढ़ गए हैं, स्किल्स नए स्किल्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुके हैं। और स्टेट्स कहीं भी हम जिस भी स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर से स्टेट्स में मिले हैं तो सभी जगह से हमें बहुत अच्छी सपोर्ट मिली है।
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Kampal.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.